Hello everyone. In this video we learn some more tags. जैसे हमने पिछली वीडियो में व्हाट इज हेडिंग एंड व्हाट इज पैराग्राफ टैग्स सीखा था, इस वीडियो में हम कुछ और टैग्स को सीखेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले मैं एक फाइल बना लेता हूँ, index.html। ओके, फिर एक बॉयलर प्लेट जनरेट कर लेता हूँ, Shift+1, प्रेस एंटर। ओके, फिर बॉडी के अंदर सबसे पहले हेडिंग टैग h1, राइट सम कंटेंट Hexnbit। ओके, फिर एक पैराग्राफ p टैग, इसके अंदर कुछ कंटेंट लिख लेता हूँ। सपोज आई राइट lorem 20, प्रेस एंटर, सो इट जनरेट 20 वर्ड्स फॉर मी। ओके, फिर ऐसी एक टैग होता है b टैग। b is used to bold your content. Suppose I write hello world. Okay, Control S to save. Let's see the output. Click on the go live button. So hello world is in bold format, and by default heading tags are bold. So next tag is u tag. U tag is used for underline your content. Suppose I write hello world in, then Control S to save, check hello world with underline. Okay, now third is HR tag. Okay, write HR only. HR is used to create one horizontal line. Let me show you. Okay, one horizontal line is display on your web page. So next is I tag. I is used to italic your font. Okay, it's create italic style. Suppose I write lorem 10, press enter, then Control S to save. So your font is in italic format. Okay, next is mark tag. Okay, mark, MAR, and close this tag. Suppose I write lorem 20, Control S to save. Okay, so it highlight your text with yellow color. Next is BR tag. Suppose after mark I write BR. Okay, and after BR I write one more BR. So BR is used to break the line. Let me show you. After BR I write one heading, hello, then Control S to save. So there are two lines of space. Okay, let me write one more BR and one more. So there are 4 BR are present, so there are 4 lines of space is generated. Then Control S to save, and 4 lines of space are generated. Okay, so next is marquee tag. With the help of marquee tag, we moves our content from left to right, right to left, up to down, and down to up. Let me show you. suppose I write hello in marquee tag, and behavior and direction are the attribute of marquee tag. Attribute क्या होता है ये मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगा. Let me show you first. Click on the go live. Hello is moves right to left. Okay, suppose I write RIGST in direction, then Control S to save. So hello moves left to right. If I write up, Control S to save, then down to up direction. Similar is if I write down, then hello moves up to down direction. Okay, so आप इन सब टैग्स को एक साथ कॉम्बाइन भी कर सकते हो. लेट मी शो यू. सपोज आई राइट P, then in P I write U, then U I write B. Okay, so in this I write hello world and lorem 10. Okay, so let me show you. Click on the go live button. So this is the combination of underline tag, bold tag and paragraph tag. Let me show you one more. In this I write P, I is for italic and U is for underline and B is for bold. Okay, then write some content lorem 30, press the enter, Control S to save, check the output. Okay, so the paragraph is in italic style. Okay, so that's it in this video. Thank you.